This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two things. Your iPhone contacts are up to date and LinkedIn can access them. First, open Settings and ensure contacts sync for iCloud or the account you use. Next, launch the LinkedIn app, go to Settings, and enable Contacts Access. This grants the app permission to read your address book. Once done, make sure the app is updated so the sync feature appears. These steps avoid duplicate accounts and permission blocks before you import contacts. Now you perform the actual import from the LinkedIn app. Tap your profile, open Settings, then find Sync Contacts or Invite Connections depending on app version. Choose Import Contacts and select the account that holds your iPhone contacts, iCloud, Gmail, or Exchange, so LinkedIn can read the list. The app will show suggested matches. Review them to avoid adding irrelevant people. Make sure to toggle whether LinkedIn can continuously sync or just import once. Continuous sync keeps suggestions. Finish by verifying the results and addressing problems. Go to My Network, then Contacts, and confirm the imported names and suggested connections are present. If you see duplicates, resolve them by merging within LinkedIn or by cleaning duplicates in iCloud or your Mail account, then resync. If the import fails, toggle LinkedIn's contacts permission off and on in iPhone settings, force close and reopen the app, or reinstall it. You can also sign out and back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.